over. Sean?
I'm going backwards. You want to look behind me, Brian?
You want to go forward.
You're stuck in a rock.
Yeah, you're stuck on a rock.
Oh, you're right by a rock, so somebody up there to hook to, or are we just pulling?
I can drive around and hook to if you need.
Yeah.
Let me drive around. You can hook to me.
Yeah, somebody hang on to the front just in case. I feel a little hairy here.
Yeah, they are.
I can't see it back.
Oh, shoot. What the hell? I'm zooming. I didn't even know I was zooming.
That's not that rattlesnake. I tried to rock. It came down. I hit the crevice. My whole thing tipped. Yeah. But it wasn't this deep to begin with.